Shear.
Eddie Shear's the weatherman, honey.
I don't think it's making it to the pan.
I don't know how to change the...
This is all froze up now. I'll get one.
I'll wait for you.
How do you change the setting to make backlight on it, Dave?
Ron. We'll just take it off now. Where's Tina?
Well, I think I got it. Okay.
Oh, good. Are you waiting to go down?
Hey, go down a bit further. He busted it right off. Hear me, Dave?
Gold medal. Here I... Oh, shit. Oh. Ah! Ooh, ooh. Ah!
Hi, Matthew. Yeah, he cracked it right in half.
Send that boy down.
He tried to turn around, but he went up the side of the bank to do it, tipped her right over.
Yep. They said using the reverse on it.
Yeah. But the machine tipped over on him too.
Not here enough. Where is he? He's still up there. Right.